the #1 hit music station. Chris Brown, Forever, wrapping up my 3 songs today for Ashley Gayton of Savannas. The songs, prizes too, including bowling and spare time recreation, and a medium 1-topping pizza from Caps's Pizza. Caps's Pizza sponsors my 3 songs weekdays at 4 o'clock. You know about the Real Family Meal Deal for $17.89, the large pizza, cheese bread, 6 and 2-liter bottle of soda. They also have other exclusive deals too through the Caps's Club at capsaspizza.com. Call ahead or get it delivered, 873-7770. Paramore, The Only Exception. Gavin DeGraw, Jason Derulo. Get your 92 Moose interactive weather next. Hang on.
Listen to 92 Moose anytime, anywhere. Click on Listen Live right now at the Moose website, 92moose.fm.
I'm John Williams.
Hi, I'm Wade Cleveland. Every Tuesday and Friday nights, join us for great rock and roll memories on The Retro Show. We've got it all, from rock's early days with Chuck Berry and Elvis to the 70s with Bob Seger and the Rolling Stones and everything in between. Also, we have Spotlight Artists, Spotlight Years, and a request or two. The Retro Show, every Tuesday and Friday night from 7 until 10 on the Wave, CJLS.
Sunday night, cloudy, lows upper 40s, Labor Day sunny, highs upper 60s. The Valley forecast on 93.5 WMWV and streaming online at WMWV.com. WMWV.
Kiss 94.5, today's best variety.
A different radio station for coastal Maine. WNSX at 97.7.
Four generations, one passion, believe in Barneville.
This is Hot Hits WZID HD2 Manchester.
I'm gonna have to turn this up a notch.
You've just found the worldwide hit music space. You're just minutes away from Enrique Iglesias. I Like It. Baby, I like it. Auburn, La La La. B.O.B. Magic. Another hour of hits now.
104 WABK.
Brad Paisley, Anything Like Me.
Broadcasting from Jerry's True Value Studio. We're #1 for fresh new country. 99.1 WLKE Bar Harbor, 103.3 WMCM Rockland, and 104.7 WBFB Belfast Bangor. Maine's new country leader is the all-new Bear.
Next, Roger Coulter's 3 English Dances. Here's the Northern Sinfonia, led by Richard Hickox on WBOX.